Why do we need subscription platform when we have payment gateway? In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses need more than just a payment gateway to thrive. Payment gateways are essential for processing transactions, but they only solve part of the problem. Without a robust subscription platform, you're left managing recurring payments manually, tracking invoices, and handling customer queries on your own. A subscription platform automates these processes, providing you with powerful tools to manage your business effortlessly. With features like automated billing, detailed analytics, and seamless customer management, you can focus on what matters most: growing your business. Engage your customers with personalized communication and exclusive offers, enhancing their experience and building long-term loyalty. Spend less time worrying about payments and more time innovating, creating, and expanding your business. Join the future of business management. Discover the power of a subscription platform today. Your success simplified.